Mm. Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a Mission Rates. So I'm going to quickly show you some bundles that I just received in the mail. They are from Mercy's Hair Extensions. This is what the little thing looks like. I got 3 bundles of the Mongolian Kinky Curl 3B3C in 18 inches, and it's color natural. Got 3 bundles. This is what one of them looks like. I definitely have to dye it because my hair is a lot darker than this. It's really full. It feels really soft. It has a little bit of a smell, but you know, we're going to dye this jet black. We're going to wash it and install it into a wig. So I just want to show you what it looks like upon arrival. Alright guys, so I have my leave out. I have 4 twists on each side. So I have 3 in the middle and 1 at the side because I kind of want to leave some edges out. I'm just going to put on my stocking cap, and I'm going to put a bobby pin at the sides here to kind of prevent my stocking cap from coming off. Now this is the hair that I constructed. It's not I'm not the best wig maker, but it's gonna do. Like, look. it is what it is. It's a half wig. The curls are super pretty. Like I said, this is the Mongolian Kinky Curly in 18 inches. I didn't add any combs in it just because, I don't know, I just didn't feel like it. Go ahead and use some jumbo bobby pins and kind of bobby pin them down. I'm going to unravel my edges. And what we're going to do is grab some of the wig hair and then my hair and kind of like just lightly twist it in, just so it kind of looks like it's one. So one of the wig hairs, one of my hairs, and just lightly twist it in. Okay, so this is my natural hair here pulled out. I'm going to pull my hair and some of the wig hair and kind of just lightly twist it in. Grab your bobby pins, and you can see that this is my hair, so just gonna put the bobby pin at the end and just kind of insert it somewhere in a downward position. Downward or upward. Either way, do it and don't put it sideways because you're gonna see, people are gonna see the bobby pin. The goal is to cover the tracks right here. So you're going to put a bobby pin. It actually is blending very well. I don't see any issues. No. This is what the hair looks like. I might blend this more into something, but I think it looks cute. I'm excited to try a twist out or a braid out on this hair. I feel like it might look really cute, but this hair is definitely big. But this hair is super fluffy, lightweight. Shedding, there's no shedding. And you will experience shedding obviously eventually as you keep wearing it and you keep styling it. But to start, no shedding. Like, no. This looks so natural. This has to be the most natural extensions. Well, my second most natural extensions I've ever had. Let me show you what the back looks like. I don't know what it looks like. Hopefully it looks blended. I don't know, but I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like after coming home. It was super hot today and these bundles just blew up. They got really puffy, but it still looks really good. Like, it looks really blended and natural. Everyone thought it was my hair, which is always a good compliment. But yeah, it still looks really good, but it's really soft too. Like, these bundles are awesome. Definitely great quality. I also decided to do a twist out on the hair, and this is what it looks like. It actually came out pretty cute. The hair is still pretty big. Like, this hair is not going to stop being big, but it's really cute, still super soft. Like, I really do like this hair. I like that it's a natural hair because you could do natural hairstyles on it. Like, it's actually really good quality. I definitely recommend this hair. So if you're interested in this hair, everything will be down in the description bar. Again, the hair is Mercy's Hair Extensions. Check their website out. Check the description bar for their Instagram and everything else. And, sorry, I'm still looking at myself in the mirror like, Let's see if my boyfriend recognizes me tonight.